Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for listening to the success story on how a CPA firm migrated their service to our ADS cloud service. One of our clients is a longtime client, was due for a server refresh back in 2013, and instead of going ahead and purchasing new service, they decided to use our ADS cloud service. ADS cloud service is a private cloud. It's based on Cloud Director, and it's hosted in Switch, Las Vegas. If you ever get a chance to, if you're in Vegas, if you ever get a chance to visit this co-location facility, please do. It is an amazing facility. We can also arrange a tour of the facility if you're interested in using our cloud service. We've been to all of the colo facilities in the greater San Fernando, LA, Orange County area, and this one it just blew us away. One of the other reasons why we picked Vegas as our hosting site is that it's uh, far enough away from the LA basin to hopefully survive any type of major earthquake, yet it's close enough to drive if we had to in an emergency. So that was some of the thought behind hosting our cloud service in Las Vegas. So each one of our clients runs in their own virtual data center as well. So turns out that the client actually had a partner retreat in Vegas, so we arranged a tour of the Las Vegas SuperNap, Switch Las Vegas SuperNap, and they were very impressed with the level of security and facilities at Switch. All the guards are armed. They all wear body armor. It's difficult to get in to as it should be. Just to get into the facility, I have to have a badge. I badge through an exterior wall. Then I go through another scan where I'm scan my badge again, then fingerprint scan. Then I go into another man trap. Then I scan my badge again, and then I'm finally in the data center. And our data center is probably three good football fields away from the first sector in SuperNap. So we gave them a tour, as I mentioned, of our ADS cloud infrastructure when we installed that we installed at Switch Las Vegas. And after visiting Switch Las Vegas and reviewing our infrastructure, they were very comfortable migrating their servers to our ADS cloud service. In order to make this connection, one of the things we recommend is a redundant internet connection. So they installed an additional AT&T internet fiber line that was installed in addition to their existing line. Then we created a site-to-site VPN connection between the firewalls, so it's a secure encrypted connection between the client side and our ADS cloud service. And firewalls can automatically fail over to the backup line in case their primary line goes down. The servers, so to do the migration, we actually backed up their servers on a Friday evening and shut down everything to an external storage system. The servers were then driven out to Las Vegas. We started the restore about midnight, and they were up and operational by Saturday afternoon. So on Monday we were there on site to make sure everything was properly working. All of the staff were able to work without any major disruptions, and we have 100% uptime in ADS Cloud. So let us know how we can help your company to create your own IT success story. Please contact me, Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group. My phone number is 310-541-8584, extension 100, or you can email me at asugano@adscon.com. Thanks a lot for listening, and we'll hear from you soon.